Hi everyone, welcome back from BIM Agent channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create water closet family by using the REVIT. And then as usual, I uploaded the instruction guide how to create the water closet in REVIT. And then you can see on my BIM Agent studio. Okay, then here is my website, and then you can see this instruction guide on the post, and then here is the instruction guide for you. Okay, so now let me go back to the REVIT window, and then I'm going to show you how to create this. First of all, we have to choose the correct family template to create a water closet family by using REVIT. Right now, I already have the AutoCAD section view, floor plan view, and then elevation view. So now I'm gonna pick the family. Here we can see two metric planning fixture wall base and metric planning fixture. What is the difference? The difference is the wall base. After we create the water closets by using wall base template, when we insert into my REVIT project, we must have the wall to use this family. So if you don't have the wall pack, you want to use this water closets in your project, so we have to use the metric planning fixture. So I'm gonna pick this and open. Click open. So now I'm going to maximize it. Okay. Right now I want to refine my AutoCAD drawing. So now I need to import my AutoCAD drawing. Go to the Insert tab, and here is the Import panel, and here is the Import CAD. Okay. For the default view, these are not checked, and here is auto detach, and here is auto original back for me. I want to change some option because I'm gonna pick my drawing, and then I want to see this drawing only in my reference level view, not inside the 3D view and then other elevation view. That's why I'm gonna check the current view only. And then my AutoCAD drawing is using the millimeter, so I'm gonna pick the millimeter, and then position I want to change to center to center. That's why I click open. So now I need to move my import drawing to the correct location. I'm using the move tool, and then pick from the center and place here. Right now I want to go to the left view. Double click. Okay, so we cannot see anything, even the reference plane. So right click and then click the zoom to face. Okay, I'm gonna insert my input CAD, and then the rest will be the same. Click open. So now we can see. So right now we have to check one thing. So this water closet will be 410 millimeter away from the floor. So that's why I need to draw reference plane. So go to the Create tab, and here we can see the reference plane. I'm gonna click this, and then the height will be 410 from the reference level. If you draw from left to right, we can see our reference plane at the top of the reference level. If you draw from right to left, we will see this reference plane enter the reference level. So draw like this. And then one more thing, this will be 60 millimeter away from the floor. So I'm copy this reference plane. This will be 350. Okay, so now I pull out the dimension 350 and 60. So currently my dimension is quite big. So we can control by using to make The first method is we can change our drawing scale. Is when I change to 1:10, this dimension scale becomes smaller. I change that to 1:10. But now I don't want to change my drawing scale. I only want to change the dimension size. So click this dimension and go to the edit type, and then duplicate the dimension, and then I'm gonna change the text size from 3 to 1, and then text offset as well. So now my dimension already changed to the small one. So I put one more dimension. So right now I already draw two reference plane, and then I'm gonna give the name. So the highest one is 410, and then the lowest one is 16. After that, I'm gonna move my drawing to the correct location. That's it. Okay. So now I'm go back to my reference layer again. So now I'm going to draw the two reference plane for my reference layer. So here is the default one, and then this is the green color, but I want to create the new reference plane type. So go to the create tab, and then at the detail panel we can see the reference plane, and then when we click the name we can see create new subcategory. Just click it, and then this will come up with a pop-up window, and then I'm going to give the name RT1. Then here is a black color, and I'm going to change to the red color, and then the line type also line in line. Apply. Okay. So now the width will be 360, but I'm going to offset about 150 to be more easy. Then after that, I'm going to mirror this line. Here, mirror, I'm using the mirror pick exit. Then I pick like that. After that, I'm pull out the dimension. I want to be the equality for these two lines. So after pull out the dimension, we can see the EQ. So click it. After that, I pull out one more direction to get the total width. So the total width must have been the 360. So now I am going to change from 300 to 360. So that's why I'm going to pull out one more dimension from middle to the right. Then I click the one reference plane, and then I go to the type 360 and 2. So this will become 360. This will be more easier for us. No need to calculate. After that, okay. So this water closet is round shape, and then a round shape one we see from the section view, and then this will be like this in the reference level view. So that's why I'm going to use the sweep for this curved line. So now I have to go to my left view. Okay, never mind. So we go to the view tab, and then here we can see all of the view by using the tile window like this. Here is my left view, and then here is the tree view, and here is the top view. So I'm gonna using the sweep. So go to the create tab, and here is the sweep. Before we using the sweep, I'm gonna set my work plane from this one only. Okay, just leave it. So I'm going to the left view. I'm going to get. Sorry, I'm going to. This one cannot. Just leave it. So I'm gonna click the sweep, and then okay, the sweep have two options. The sweep have two things. The first one is we have to draw the sketch back, and then after that we have to draw the profile. So the profile will be perpendicular to the sketchpad. So later you can see it. So I'm going to draw the sketchpad first. I'm using the pick line. Here is a pick line like this. Okay, so here we can see like that. I move the reference plane like this. Okay, here is our 3D view. After I draw the sketchpad, I need to click the finish edit now, and then I can start draw for the profile. So inside one, and then I'm going to draw like this. This will be 20 millimeter away from this. Very simple one, like this. Let me try this. CST can also, this will be the problem of our sketchpad. So I go back. So now I go to my left view, and then I click for the sketchpad. So okay, I'm gonna put it like this. Never mind, draw like that first. Okay, so now we got it. That's really not good, but we still can make it, and I want to edit one more maybe. Okay. Let's try it. This is because of my sketch line. I'm using the pick line. This one is better. Try one more time. Let's draw like this first. Okay, so now it got the one part, and then so this time we need to draw for the behind part. So I'm gonna use the another extrusion swap plane. So just to draw. Okay, then finish for the sketch line. Here I have the two profile. Top one is profile 2 and the bottom one is profile 1. So I'm gonna draw for the top one first. Let me think. Okay, well, no problem. I'm gonna draw for the profile 2. Like that, and then okay. Right now, after I'm finished the profile 2, I have to go to the profile 1 and draw the rectangle for this. Okay. Now you see from the 3D view. Okay, so now it's like that. It's not really correct. So this means, okay, so I have to adjust my profile one, the base profile. Now seem okay. Now seem okay. To the left view. So right now, shade it. Okay. My fire become like that. Become like that. Actually, I don't want to see like this. I need to cover my street more than this. So now it's a time to cover for the. So now it's the time to change for the REVIT street profile. Like this. have one more thing we need to check. The distance between for the base will be 270. So that's why I'm going to create one more reference plane. This will be 270, but never mind. And draw like this first. 270 by 2. Okay, select it and then mirror again. So now this will become 270. So now this will become 270. Oh, I see. So that's why my strap plane base should be the 270 when we okay. So I go to the 3D view and then my strap plane base width will be the 270. So that's why click the plane and then edit strap plane, check for the profile one, edit profile. So this will be like that. This is not the full rectangle. This will be like this. Okay, so now that seems okay. Edit profile and then the profile. I hope this should be okay. So now the base okay, the top width will be 360, but the base width will be 270. So I'm using the white extrusion to get the smooth surface. So go back to the back view and then I'm keep the back elevation, change to the solid shape. After that, create wireframe extrusion. Trim like that. Click. After that, I go back to the 3D view. The white file we cannot see, but we need to select. Okay. Okay. So here is our white file. So I got the smooth white file from this side. So now I'm gonna have to click white file for the other side. So I'm going to the reference view and then here we can see the white file. After that I'm going to mirror like this. Okay, here our surface more smooth and then I need to cut the below one. So I'm going to the left view and create one more white file. To delete this. Okay, here we go to the 3D view and then we can see the white file is half cut. So now I want to cut to delete, something like that. Okay, so now we can see our model like this. So go to the reference view. After that, I want to cut my toilet bowl like this. So I'm going to use the quite font extrusion, but here I have the two profile. The bottom will be like that and the top will be like that. So that's why I'm going to use the white font, white blend. Here we can see the at the top. This means currently we are using the bottom profile. So now we have to create a bottom profile. I pick like this. Okay, then I'm going to mirror this. Okay, so now we have to click the at the top. So now we are reaching the top profile. View and going to check. This will be one loop. So this might be something wrong in the profiling. Okay, so I'm check is it close line or not? You should be okay now. Okay, and join. No worry for that. So now I'm gonna click, go back to the, cannot see the point. Okay, because our platform inside of this, tap this platform, and then I'm go back to the left view and I go to the top. Then see from here. Okay, so now we can see our toilet bowl like this. So now I'm gonna set the material for this toilet bowl. I'm going to select all of these and then click the filter, and then I cannot set the material for the Plan Vista white, so I uncheck this for and then click OK. So after that, in the material, in the properties palette, we can see the material. So I'm gonna associate family parameter. I give the name to stick material. Okay, so I'm going to pick unfinished. I want to use the white color and then reflective, the tank also white color. Okay, apply, okay, then apply, okay. So now I've already got for the toilet bowl. So right now I have to create the toilet seat cover. That's why I'm going to create the extrusion. I'm going to the left view. So right now I'm going to create the toilet seat cover. I also want to see the other view together. So I'm going to open the reference view and then I'm using the dial window option. Okay, so now I'm going to create the extrusion for this side. Create and then extrusion. Then just draw like this. This should be okay. 25 small. Okay, 28. And then I want to lift about 1 millimeter. This one seems so small. 2 millimeter from the toilet bowl. Okay, So now I'm like this, and then I'm create a shape. I draw one more line between this. This is only for the shape. Like this. Okay. Now 1 million. It should be like this. Then I'm going to copy this. And then for the bottom, something like this. Okay. This seems so fine. Here is the twilight pool seed, and then you will see for the reference plane, make more bigger, just more close. So I'm gonna move this in, maybe 10 milli, okay, to cover from here. Okay, so now I'm going to use the white foundation to get the extra thing. Create then white foundation. I'm going to pick like this. Then using the pick line, maybe trim. And one more line is from here. Let's see how fast. Okay, the outside also close line, and also the inside also close ring. So see like this. Here we cannot see anything, So go back to the left view, and then where is my, yeah, like this. Okay, this one not totally cut at all. That's why I have to cut by myself using the cut geometry and click the white extrusion first, and after that click the solid extrusion. So now I can see, but I cannot see my rounded section. So now I have to adjust one more time for this. This time, I have to cut one more thing. Okay, so when I click the edit extrusion, my reference line is here, but I want to move to the 410 height. So click the set and then pick the reference plane 410. Just click. Okay. So I think, yeah, this baseline is at the 410 already. Okay, this one is more better. So now I'm going to edit my extrusion. Then I should move MV. I should move more than 10 meters, maybe 10 meters. Yeah, so now I can see it. Okay, so now in the 3D view, we can see the toilet seat like that. So I'm gonna give the material for the toilet seat. So I'm gonna set the seat cover material, but I'm going to use the same material as like the seat material. Okay, so now we already get the REVIT REVIT water closet model. I think my model is not so smooth, but I hope you like this video, and then this really helpful to the project. So now I'm going to show you how to import this family into the REVIT project. Okay, so now I'm going to open create new project, architectural template project. I'm go to the 3D view and then close hidden window. Okay, I import mine. Here is family 8, so I'm gonna change the name to 6019. Okay, my family is 6019, and then I log into the project. I can see my model here. When I change to the realistic view, this one is in black color because in the project don't have this kind of material what I use in my water closet. So I have to click the edit type, and then we go to the pen finish. I have to set the color which I want to use. Just now I put the color white, and then here is a reflexivity. Check the reflexivity and then check the tint color. Okay, like this. Apply. Okay, so now our model, I think it should be the white color. Okay, check one more time. Pen finish. Pen finish. Yes, it should be the white color. And I will put more white. Apply. Okay. Okay, so now I change to the shader so we can see the white color when. If you want to see more clearly, I'm going to use another platform or another platform and skip. I see the model. Okay. Here is my REVIT water closet. Okay. Okay. I hope you guys like this video and enjoy this video, and then this will helpful for your learning and for your work. So thank you for watching. If you enjoy my video, please like and subscribe my channel. So see you next time. See you in the next video, and stay tuned and stay safe. Bye bye.